guys, showing you guys how to change the reverse bulbs on a Lexus GS 350. It's a GS 350 model. You just open up the trunk, you pop the trunk, and then there's like little clips in the fender, in the liner for the trunk. You're just pulling this down. It just pops out. Alright, and then this is the reverse bulb here. You just unscrew it, take it out. The bulb size is a 9:1, so then you just replace it with the LED ones. I'll put a link down in the video description for this, for the LED reverse lights. They're 9:1. That's the bulb size. So this is for the driver side. Now we have the passenger side. It's the same thing. It sits like this, and you just loosen it, pull it down, and the bulb come out. Then you put the new bulb in, the 9:1, slides into the socket. Then you have to test it. You can go inside and put the car in reverse, put the emergency brake on, and test it to make sure they both light up. If they both light up, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't, then you got to take the bulb out the socket and flip it, and then put it back in the socket. So right now, girl's gonna help me out. She's gonna start the car and check to see if she's gonna put the car in reverse to see if they both light up. Okay, this one's on. Okay, they're both good to go. And I'm gonna show you guys after, showing you guys what they look like. All right, it's good. So now I could just take them, put them back in the housings. That one went right in. And then the other one here. And just snap it in just like that. And then you just push it in, push the tabs back up, and that's it. Showing you guys what they look like. They're already installed.